How's it guys and girls? I'm on a new permission today, and as you guys can see, I have the beautiful Daystate Redwood Safari here with me. Today I've tuned this air rifle to shoot the new H&N Slugs. These ones are the 30 grains, the 217s, and I'm going to shoot them at around 943 feet per second. So today I'm going to try to shoot some doves at longer ranges, and hopefully it will be very interesting. So sit back, relax and enjoy. So let me quickly explain what I'm busy doing here today. This was my first time on this property, so on arrival I was not really sure what to expect when I got here. However, the farmer did tell me that there were a lot of doves and pigeons that love to sit on these high voltage power lines and on the structures of the power lines, and I can just go sit and shoot them off those power lines. So I was just driving up and down on this old forgotten tar road that leads towards the farm gate, and lucky enough for me, no one else drives on this tar road. So I don't bother anyone else and no one is going to bother me. However, I forgot to set my GoPro to 240 frames per second, so unfortunately we won't be able to get those smooth slow motion shots that you guys love to see. But still, you guys will be able to see some good old long range shots. Man oh man, it's hot. Okay, we've got the first one here at 122 meters. That should be 5. And let's see. Hopefully I'm lucky. Oh! Woo! Beautiful shot, man. 122 meters and it was lights out. Damn it, that was nice. Nice. Again, 122 meters. Bang on the money. There's another one sitting there. It just came in, so let's see. Got it again. There's another one a little bit further away. Let's see if I can get that one too. The wind. It is ever so slightly further away. Oh, solid shot. That was 124 meters. That was nice. That was really nice. That was a cracking shot. It made one hell of a sound. Under 31 meters. That was a cracking shot. Damn, this heat is in freaking insane. Oh, that was freaking crazy. I think I shot its neck off. That was at 114 meters. That was a cracking shot. I must say, sitting here has become much more enjoyable than driving up and down after these doves. So really fun so far. Got a couple of good shots. Oops, 136 meters. Good shot. That was really nice. Well, guys and girls, this is where I'm going to call it a day. It was tons of fun out here in the sun, but I must say I think the sun actually got the best of me. So I think it's time to head back home. But nevertheless, it was really nice to be out here to shoot with the Daystate Redwood Safari again, and with those H&N 30 grain slugs. It was really nice to take those long shots. And I hope you guys also enjoyed this video. And for the guys that's not subscribed to my channel already, please consider hitting that subscribe button with the bell notification, so you can also be notified with all the upcoming content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers!